Hello kids, it's Shazi. Today, we learn the alphabet letter A, B, C, D, E, F. Let's trace and paint them together. Uppercase A, lowercase a. Uppercase B, lowercase b. Uppercase C, lowercase c. Uppercase D, lowercase d. Uppercase E, lowercase e. Uppercase F, lowercase f. Let's learn some color names. Green color, orange color, red color, purple color, blue color, yellow color. A is for apple. A is for ant. B is for ball. B is for bat. C is for carrot. C is for car. D is for duck. D is for door. E is for elevator. E is for egg. F is for fish. F is for flag. Uppercase A, lowercase a. Uppercase B, lowercase b. Uppercase C, lowercase c. Uppercase D, lowercase d. Uppercase E, lowercase e. Uppercase F, lowercase f. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Hello kids, it's Shazi. Today, we learn alphabet and numbers. Let's trace and paint them together. A, B, C, D, E 1 2 3 4 5. Let's learn some color names. Red color, orange color, yellow color, blue color, green color, pink color, purple color, brown color. A is for airplane. It flies in the sky. B is for baby. Sometimes it may cry. C is for clock. It tells you the time. D is for diamond. See how it shines. E is for elephant. Bigger than me. One baby arrives. 2 tiny hands hold. 3 sweet kisses given. 4 cozy blankets wrapped. 5 flowers bloom. A, B, C, D, E. 1 2 3 4 5. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.